Hi guys, welcome to PowerPoint Glamour. In this video today, we will be checking out how to make an animated GIF like this. So please stay tuned. So what we'll be doing is we would be creating a GIF of stay home, stay safe, and the background of this text would be blinking different colors, and that would be automatic. That will be created here in PowerPoint, and then we will be converting it into an animated GIF. So let's see how do we go ahead and do that. Okay, first we inserted a blank slide. We have a picture of the house. Let's keep it aside. Now let's insert a few shapes. First, insert a rectangle with rounded corners. Okay, let's insert this. Okay, now change the color of this rectangle. Let's use the eyedropper, which is very simple to copy the colors. Let's use the same colors like in the art here, so it matches. No outline. Now after we have filled in the shape of this, filled in the color for this shape, let's duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D. Okay, a duplicate is created. Let's fill this with another color. Let's use this one. Now Ctrl D, another duplicate is created. Now fill this with another color. Let's say this. Now create another duplicate, Ctrl D. Now fill this with this color. Let's use this one. Okay, so we now have 4 shapes, okay, with different colors. All right. Now we need to insert a text box. Let's go ahead and insert a text box. Place it here. Type in stay safe, stay home. Control A. Let's use these fonts for now. Get some shadow. Change it to white font, bolder, and increase text size. Okay, now place it here for now. Okay, so we have created the required shapes and the text. Now we need to animate these objects as if it is blinking, as if these boxes are blinking in the background of this text. So first box is the blue box, so we'll not animate that. We'll select the second box. Okay, go to animations and click on appear. Alright, then click on the third box and select the animations, appear. Then the fourth box, again click on appear. Okay, so we'll find out why we did that in a moment. So now we have to arrange all these boxes on top of each other. So let's go here, align center, align middle. Okay, all the text boxes, all the shapes are aligned. Now align this text box here. Okay, so then go to animations, click on animation pane. So let's see how the animations are coming up. All right, so the first rectangle, which is the second one ideally, the first animated one appears on click. So let's make it after previous and give it a delay of half a second. Then go to the second rectangle animation, click on after previous. Let's give it half a second delay again. And this should be after previous. and this should be half a second delay. Alright, so now close this animation pane. Now let's see how this slide looks. Just click on the slideshow button. Okay, so now you see the colors are blinking in the background. The colors have gone very fast, so let's go to the animation pane and you can increase the delay. So let's make it 1 second for us to see the effect for now. Make it 1 second. Alright, now start. 1 second, let me turn off the subtitles. Okay, now click on the slideshow button to see the animation. Okay, so now you see the colors in the background are changing automatically. However, it stopped after the animation sequence have completed. So now when you convert this slide into an animated GIF, it would be like a loop. So let's see how do we go ahead and do that. First, make sure you only have the slide that you want to animate. So I'll go ahead and delete the first 2 slides that we have created earlier. Now select this, go to File, click on Export. You have an option, a new feature in Office 365 which I'm using. It's called Create an Animated GIF. So click on this and then it gives you the option of the resolution or the size of the GIF that you want to create. So there are different options: extra large, large, medium and small. So let's go with the medium for now. It also asks you how much time you need to spend on each slide. So let's keep it to 2 seconds and then click on Create GIF and then save that GIF where you want. So let's save it here. Let us name it GIF 1 and then save it. Okay, now the GIF is created and it is saved. Now go to the folder where you have saved the GIF. Okay, let's open this file. So if you see, it is animating. So if you see, the background here is blinking as if it's a color, it's like a light. So it's an animated GIF, and if you see, it is continuously animating in loop. That is called a GIF file. So this is excellent. You can actually copy this from here and go ahead and paste it in your presentations. You can go ahead and paste it in Outlook or any email body as well. It will definitely work there. So let's play it and see. See, it is looping like a GIF file. So this is very catchy, this is very nice. I hope you guys like the video. If you have any questions, if you have tried it, please make sure you mention it in the comments below. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.